Hi, myself Venkat. My channel Painting on Screen TV. Today the topic is screen printing dyeing. How to screen print. In this topic we will explain clearly. Please subscribe my channel Painting on Screen TV. Click bell symbol, watch my videos, latest updates each and every one. One more time I will explain the dyeing in how to dye in after printed t-shirts and kurtis, lehengas and sarees. Here it is, I will explain. The dyeing is the saree between one saree to one saree. The difference of between 2 inches or 3 inches or 5 inches. Especially the saree may be you are put on in rope, clip in one side and another side. Two sides clipping. But how it possible in damages? Weather condition, the air and foldings. In this situation, the damages will be erased. Why it will attack in damages? The mostly in this situation we will be careless of the dyeing movements. In this, the damages not moving in marketing. Your profit also low. No one selling any products. So in this situation, dyeing movements each and everyone you will take carefully and watch everybody the situation of dyeing folding situations. Some colors are dyeing 50 minutes to below 30 minutes. But some colors are, these chemicals also including. That situations in these colors are dyeing 1 hour and above 1 hour. So these conditions you are properly maintain the watching and tricks. Your mindset are not careless. Your mindset are do how to try. This touch, first touching, second one smell, and after that your drying is finishing. After that folding your cloth. So in these techniques and tips, you are carefully to do the after cloth drying situation and folding situations. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.